In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template in HubSpot. First, let's start by navigating to the marketing section. You will see a menu on the left side of your screen. Click on Marketing and then select Email. This is where all your email creation tools are located. Once you click on Email, you will be directed to the Email dashboard. Here, you can view your existing emails and start creating new ones. This initial step is crucial because it sets the foundation for your email marketing journey. Next, look for the button that says Create Email. This button is usually located at the top right corner of your email dashboard. Click on it to begin the process of crafting your new email template. After clicking, you will see options for different types of emails. This clear separation helps you choose the right format for your needs. By selecting Create Email, you are taking the first step towards designing an effective communication tool for your audience. Now you will see a prompt asking you to choose the type of email you want to create. Select Regular Email from the options provided. This choice allows you to create a standard marketing email, which is perfect for most campaigns. Regular emails are versatile and can be tailored to fit various marketing goals. Once you select Regular Email, you will be taken to the template selection screen. At this point, you need to select a template design. HubSpot offers a variety of pre-designed templates to choose from. Browse through the options and pick one that aligns with your brand identity and the message you want to convey. Choosing the right template is important because it sets the tone for your email and can significantly impact your audience's engagement. Once you have made your selection, you are ready to move on to the customization phase. Now it's time to customize your email template. Start by editing the text to match your message. Click on the text blocks within the template and type your desired content. You can personalize it by adding the recipient's name or any other relevant information. Customizing the text is essential because it helps you connect with your audience and makes your email feel more personal. Next, add images to your email. Click on the image area in the template to upload your visuals. You can choose images that represent your brand or illustrate your message. Images can enhance the visual appeal of your email and keep your readers engaged. Be sure to use high-quality images that are relevant to your content. After that, consider adding buttons to your email. Buttons can guide your recipients to take specific actions like visiting your website or signing up for a webinar. Click on the button area to customize the text and link associated with it. This little step is vital as it directs your audience to the next point of interaction with your brand. Once you have customized the text, images, and buttons, it's time to adjust the layout if needed. You can drag and drop elements to rearrange them according to your preference. A well-organized layout ensures that your email is easy to read and visually appealing. This makes it more likely that your audience will engage with your content. Finally, click Save or Publish. If you choose Save, your email will be saved as a draft, allowing you to revisit it later. If you click Publish, your email is ready to be sent out to your audience. This final step is crucial because it ensures that your hard work is not lost, and you can easily access your email later for any adjustments. With that done, you have successfully created a marketing email template in HubSpot. You are now equipped with the skills to design effective email communications that can enhance your marketing efforts.